Okay, so today we will learn a new chapter, that is chapter 34. Okay, drug, medicine and remedy. Okay, so drug, medicine and remedy. If I will tell, these terminologies are synonymous. Okay, but in homeopathy these terminologies are different. Okay, sometimes you have seen in like any literature, even in allopathy, sometimes just they tell drug, sometimes they tell medicine, sometimes they tell remedy. Okay, so in other system of medicine it is not so much well defined. Okay, you where to use the word drug, where to use the drug, use the word medicine, and where to use the word remedy. Okay, but in homeopathy it is little well defined. Okay, everywhere you cannot use word drug. Okay, and everywhere you cannot use the remedy. Okay, that we will learn what is the difference between drug, medicine and remedy. Okay, and this chapter is very much important as per your exam also. Sometimes you will get long question, what is the drug, medicine, remedy, all the three things. Sometimes you may get uh, short note, what is drug. Sometimes you may get short note, what is medicine. Sometimes you will may get like short note, what is remedy. Okay, then inside like medicine, remedy, all these things, many things are there, like what is antidote. Okay, what is fatal dose. Okay, many things are there. Okay, that also we will learn. Okay, we are just studying this chapter first time, na? We have not repeating this chapter, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just we will go through this chapter. Okay, drug. Again, it is given in aphorism number 19 to 23. Okay, without organon, you cannot think of homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, so again, I will show this book. Aphorism number 19 to 23 and 105 to 160. Okay, in this aphorism. Okay, drug is explained. Okay, actually at UG level this is not so much like expected from you in homeopathic pharmacy, but same thing you will study in organon of medicine. Okay, these things will be expected. Okay, because from aphorism you have to come to pharmacy, not from pharmacy to aphorism. Okay, so in second year, third year, fourth year, again all these things chapter will be repeated. Okay, but there you will come from pharmacy to organon to pharmacy. Okay, that's why if you will do little hard work in first BHMS regarding all these things, it will be easy for you to second year, third year and fourth year. Okay, definition: the word drug is derived from the French word drogu, means dry herb. Okay, what is the drug? Drugs are the dry herb. Okay, so that is called as a drug. Okay, means anything which is not potentized, dry. Okay, that is called as a drug. Okay, means these drugs are actually, you can tell ki these are the raw materials. Okay, actually these are the raw materials of the particular medicine. Okay, so that normally in other system of medicine also we just use this word drug. Okay, so as a drug means raw material of the drug. Okay, as per homeopathy, other system also we use that. Even like I know in Ayurveda they use this word. Okay, drug means raw material. Okay, which is yet to be formed as a medicine. Not medicine is formed, but this is the raw product. Okay. Drug is a therapeutic agent prepared pharmaceutically from standardized drug substances according to the rules and regulations of pharmacopoeia. To the rules and regulation of pharmacopoeia, which is sufficient capable of affecting the sensations and functioning, even the structural changes, and maybe even cause of death. It continued for a sufficient time and dose. Okay, means drug is a therapeutic agent prepared pharmaceutically from the standardized drug substances according to the rules and regulation of pharmacopoeia, which is sufficient capable of affecting the sensation and function, even the structural changes, and maybe even cause of death. It continued for sufficient time and dose. So this is called as a drug. Okay, remember this definition. Okay, they have therapeutic effect. Okay, but they are not properly processed. Okay, because which are not processed also they have alkaloids, okay, alkaloids, chemicals, biochemicals, okay, that's why they can work, okay. If still you have not processed, they will work, okay. Like we can tell Ocimum santanum, okay, that tulsi, okay, already you know. If it is not processed as a homeopathic way, also they can work, okay. They normally we use in tea, okay, just sometimes we boil it, okay, so like that. The scientific group of WHO has defined a drug as, okay, what scientific group of WHO, okay, what is the full form of WHO?
World Health Organization.
Okay, the World Health Organization. In detail about World Health Organization, you will study in 4th year in community medicine. Okay, detail their structure, their formation, what different units are there related with the health. Okay, all these things you will, all the 40 programs are going on worldwide. All these things you will study in community medicine in 4th year. The scientific group of the World Health Organization has defined a drug as any substances or product that is used or intended to be used to modify or explore the physiological system or pathological state for a benefit of the recipient. Okay, this is the word. Okay, means it should be the benefit of recipient. Okay, it may alter the physiology or it may change the pathology. Okay, so has defined as any substances or product which is used as intended to be used to modify the explore the physiological system or pathological state for the benefit of recipient. Okay, that is called as a drug. As per H.A. Roberts, a drug is any material agent in the however attenuated from the intestine of which is capable of so distributing the balance of the vital force, that is the functioning of one or more organisms of the body in no longer carried out to be the best of the whole and any material substances capable of so acting on the living organism in a drug. Then next is the Hahnemann. Okay, what he has told in section or aphorism 19, Organon of Medicine. Now, as diseased are nothing more than that nation in the state of health or the healthy individuals, they express themselves by morbid signs and signature is also only possible by change to a healthy condition of the state of the health of a diseased individual. It is very evident that the medicines could never cure disease if they did not pass the power of altering man's state of health, which depends on the sensation and function. Indeed, that their curative power on solely to the power they possesses of altering man's state of health. Okay, this is all about the how drugs are affecting and how drugs are explained by Dr. Hahnemann in the aphorisms. Okay, the definition of drug, at least you need to remember what Richard Hughes has told. Okay, I told you. Okay, just don't give so much like stress on the what others have told, except Dr. Hahnemann, okay, at first year level, but just we will go through it. Says that the drugs are substances which have the power of affecting the animal body in health and disease. Okay, so this is the drug. Now, types of drug. Okay, I told you earlier about mother tincture, mother solution, and mother substances. We will learn in one chapter. Okay, so this is that chapter where we will learn about the mother tincture, mother substances, and mother substances, mother tincture, and mother solution. Okay, so what is the mother tincture? Okay, mother tincture. I think we have studied about this mother tincture in new method of preparation of drug and old method of preparation of drug. Okay. Do you remember? I will not ask anything, just asking, do you remember or not? Mother tincture.
Yes,
Okay. It is the drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of vegetable and animal kingdom using strong alcohol as a vehicle by the process of immersion, maceration, and percolation. Okay. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of vegetable and animal kingdom using strong alcohol as a vehicle by the process of immersion, maceration, and percolation. Already we have discussed about mother tincture in that chapter of new method. Okay. Then what is mother solution? It is the drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances, mineral and chemical. Okay, remember it. Mineral and chemical. Okay, animal and plant is mother tincture. Okay, then chemical and mineral is mother solution. Okay, remember these sources, and the strongest alcohol or aqueous solvent by the process. Okay, by the process of dissolving in alcohol or purified water or a evaporating, as the case may be. Okay, next is the mother substances. What is the mother's tincture? Mother tincture is related with animal and plant kingdom. Okay, mother substance solution is related with the mineral and chemicals. Okay, then we will go to next part, that is mother substances. It is the drugs pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of any sources insoluble in the liquid vehicle as the strongest substances and solvent by the process of trituration with the sugar of milk. Okay, so this is called as a mother substances. Okay, means sugar of milk trituration, there is no process of dissolving. Okay, so this is called as a mother substances. Okay, so till here you have any doubt, anything you want to
Yeah,
ask,
after so long time. Just now.
anything you want to ask till here?
Like, I don't think so. That guy will come. I never saw this guy. I think like from the day I joined this
Whose
hostel.
voice is open? Okay, okay, this is only for today. Then from Monday we will do a offline class. Okay, classroom. So you have any doubt, anything you want to ask, any query, any question? Please ask anything if you are not understanding. Okay, keeping mum will just be a dangerous for you. Okay, means like later on you will not understand and it will be still confusion in your mind, and in answer paper also this confusion will
For the herbarium, there are some plants which are really big. So should we use only some parts, or
big plants, just first try to use only that part which is useful. Okay, like as a
okay.
parts used. Okay, like can you give any example?
Example
Of any plant?
of plants?
Yes,
I don't got the name.
but just
I
in
forgot the name.
okay, so just why you are blindly firing means.
No, sir. Actually, I forgot the name.
Okay, so okay, if whole plant is used, okay, try to find the small, like if I will give you an example, okay, like onion. Okay,
Sorry, sir.
onion, okay, you know, I am giving one example, onion. Okay, onion, which part is used to
Yes, sir.
prepare? Which part is used?
Bulb.
Bulb. Okay, now you
Bulb is
dry bulb. Okay, it may happen you can cut if you feel like, if you will just put whole bulb, it may be just take out the moisture and it will be like wet. Okay, so you can just at least cut it. Okay, but you have to use the bulb. Okay,
sir.
you will find it easily. Okay, like
Yes, sir.
okay, then garlic. Okay, again bulb is there. Okay, so like that. Okay, I am not telling you to just bring the big trees. Okay, trees we cannot keep, but any part which is used, okay, that part you have to stick. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, that means for those which whole plants are used, we can just use the leaves or the
You can
flowers,
use,
right?
suppose, that's why I'm asking, give you any example. Suppose Nux vomica. Nux vomica is a big tree.
Yes.
Okay, which part is used?
Seeds.
sir.
Seeds. Okay, so seeds you can use. Okay, seeds you will get. Okay, like Carica papaya, which part is used?
Fruits.
Fruits.
The leaf.
Leaves.
Leaf.
Okay. So
So I'm
leaf,
very confused. I have seen in homeopathy, I think it's written those young fruits. So
there is
papaya.
no point of confusion if you will go through HPI. Okay. In class also, I told you many times, if you have a confusion, you go through HPI. I think I have given HPI in group, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just go through HPI. Okay, if HPI
Okay,
it
sir.
is also written wrong, then it is a order. You have to follow HPI. If any type of change will be there, correction will be there later on, then we have to follow. Okay, we can write to HPL key what you have given that is wrong. Okay, but till that we have to follow HPI. Okay, it is I
Yes,
told
sir.
it for homeopathic pharmacy. It is like a Bible. It is like a Quran. It is like a okay, Gita. Okay, so everything you have to follow. Okay,
Okay,
you
sir.
cannot go into other books. Okay, so what is written there that you have to follow. Still that part you are not getting, then we will see. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then impurities of the drugs. Okay, what are the impurities? Impurities of the drug also we will can see in HPI, Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India. Okay. So what are the impurities of the drug? Okay, all the drugs, okay, where they are cultivated, depend upon that it depends their impurities. Okay, impurities of the drug may rise from the various causes. The followings are the common one. Okay, imperfect selection. This is due to the uh, ignorance of the collector of the crude vegetable drugs. These are imperfectly ignored with their botanical characters and therefore fail to distinguish those from the allied specimen. Hence, the substances of inferior or allied article for the genuine one. Then the uh, means always when we are collecting, we have to take care genuine thing we are collecting or not. Okay, how is the environmental condition? Okay, we have to take a help of geologist and we have to take a help of botanist. Okay, otherwise it will be very difficult for us to understand. Then imperfect preservation. This is one of the cause of the deterioration of the many drug substances. Drugs are materially affected by light and air, other by the lapse of the time. Then imperfect preparation. Impurities are the two kinds, those which exist in the crude drug, those which arises as a byproduct during the process of preparation. Okay, the impurities are two types which exist in the particular drug material, or sometimes we get it as a byproduct when we are preparing the particular medicine. Okay, on the part of the manufacturing pharmacist. Okay, then adulteration. Have you before studied about the adulteration? What is adulteration? Have you studied before what is adulteration?
Mixing of impurities.
Mixing of impurities. Okay, mimicking impurities. Okay, mimicking impurities. Okay, that just look like the same. Can you give any example?
Adulteration in pulses.
Pulses. Okay, many pulses. Okay, like some pulses are very much expensive, some pulses are like very low cost. Okay, so what they do, they just mix the low cost pulse with the high cost, and what will happen when you will weight it, you will just weight 1 kg and you have to pay more amount for less quality of things. Okay, so for why adulteration is done? Why adulteration is done?
Sir, for profit.
For profit. Okay, well, adulteration is always done, okay, like in gram. Okay, just we put the small stones. Okay, so many things are in chili powders, red chili powders, we put the brick powders. Okay, so just things which mimic the particular material. Okay, we just put that. Okay, to get the profit. Okay, because what we are putting as an adulterant, okay, that is not much expensive and it just increase the volume or weight or the ml, okay, liter of the particular material. Okay, that's why the particular person, okay, they get the more profit. Okay, like in rices. Okay, nowadays if you have heard in Meghalaya, okay, like plastic rice. Okay, plastic rice, I think just I heard, okay, I'm not sure. Okay, some places government has seized one big go down of this plastic rice. Okay, they are not giving the plastic
Yes,
rice.
Pandit.
It were from Meghalaya. They are no. Any idea? Okay, so they're just not keeping all the plastic rice. What they just, if there is like 100 kg of rice, okay, so they original rice 20 kg they take out, they put plastic rice 20 kg, okay, and what happened, they mix it, okay. So pupils who are taking, okay, at least 20 kg, by 20 kg they get the profit, okay, like that, okay. So plastic rice is there, okay, many things are there, okay, they are adulterants, okay. So because of this adulteration, we are not getting the sure shot or original things, okay, like mixing of water in the milk, okay, many things, okay, we are not getting the original material. The okay, so what is adulteration? Is the intentional, okay, adulteration. It is the intentional and fraudulent admixture of foreign substances with the drugs. All highly priced drugs are liable to adulterate, okay, means which has high price, for them adulteration is done, okay. So today we will see till here, okay. Then anything, any doubt you have?